Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad ki Sangma hagasini Thohdieng ulapentip baga Sorkar Jylla kala pynpaw ya jinglong ba kloi ban shong bishar biang ya ki kam jung nonghikai ba shapin ngat dak thohbria haga thungkam assistant teacher ki skul lower primary jong snem ahajar pra. Habai kren mat kinong thok khubor u Conrad ulaong baga Sorkar kala pan ya karai ne ka jingbit na ka Iingkashari Supreme Court lani ka High Court bakan shong bishar biang ya ka case jong kini kinonghikai namala dadan ki ba shakta namar ka jing shapin ngat ka bamdei ka Sorkar kala bancong bishar kumnu banle yaki. Myntri Rangbah ula kren yakani haba jubab yaki jingkli halor ka jinglong jingman kino hikai basha pengat dak thohbria hadin ka hukum ka Iingkashari Meghalaya High Court pasau tarik unailur ajar arpsan ka penyap no yaki jingkno persha ya ka Myntri berim katrat puli puthi kong amperin lingdo Director Berim ka Elementary and Mass Education JD Sangma but Deputy Director Berim Amika I Lingdo. Ula pentip bola bathayo Chief Secretary baunsyong bishar ikilat kilinti kumnu banle halor ni kam ba pentip ru bakidon kumba shispa sab hungut kino hikai ki balasha thungkam biang haka Sorkar hadin basem bakide ki bomdon dak thohbria indikla shusha pengat khamakha.
In fact, if you recall that every time the Supreme Court or the High Court has given us an opportunity to review, we have reviewed. And if you remember last time, because there's a subject I don't have the knowledge, I'm just asking me, so I'm giving you whatever I can remember, that roughly about close to, in the first assessment, close to about 140 teachers were reinstated back. So the court gave us that order, gave us that option, and we went in and looked in, and we have said that we found 140 of them to be not really involved in these aspects, and we gave the suggestion, and based on that they were reinstated. Again, in the second phase, the High Court or the Supreme Court, I can't remember, had asked us again to look into another aspect. We looked into it, and again in that also about 4-5. So this was done by the Chief Secretary level, and the court gives us that order. So similarly now also in this particular case, we are asking the Supreme Court or High Court to give us a mandate and give us a clearance if we can review this again, and we would be very happy to review. If there are genuine cases and people who have been affected in a way that is not correct, then obviously we'd like to review that. So, but since it is a subject that has got different aspects of law and case and different issues that are still involved, we cannot take a decision just on our own level. So, so we'll have to wait. But we are in touch with the teachers. They have met me a couple of times. In fact, they regularly meet me, and we are trying to work out on how we can move forward. I have asked Chief Secretary already to examine the options. He is working on it and seeing how we can move forward in this.